Welcome back to the channel. We're going to be making the Mazavaroo Chilli here with this ingredients, because I know things obviously in Mauritius very expensive at the moment, so I'm going to do a recipe where we'll be using 100 grams of the red chilli. As you can see, we've got the red chilli here, we've got the lemon, we've got the oil, we've got the vinegar, and we've got the garlic. So yeah, let's get into this. Okay guys, so we've got 100 grams of red chilli here. What we've done, we've washed and dried these. You don't want water in here. This is a simple recipe. So what we're going to do, we're going to put in here, we're going to blend this in our NutriBullet now, yeah. We've got 3 cloves of garlic that we're going to put in. Here we've got half a lemon, so we want the juice from half a lemon to go in here. We're just going to squeeze that in. Now we've got 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Here we were using pink Himalayan salt. We're going to put all of that in there. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And then here we've got 2 tablespoons of oil. We're going to put that in here. Okay. So we see all the ingredients you can see is in here. Have a look at that. And there you have it guys, Mazavaroo Chilli. There we go guys, that's the chilli done. Just a bit of advice, taste it. If it's a bit hot and you want it to not be as hot, cut it with some more lemon or vinegar depending on what you prefer. And yeah, Mazavaroo Chilli.